Hi everyone! Welcome to Mommy V-Line channel. In this video, we will be discussing the psychological differences between men and women. Did you know that men and women have different brain structures that affect the way we think, feel, and behave? So, let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of gender differences. To start off, let's look at the brain. The male brain is larger and has more connections within each hemisphere. This means that men tend to be more task-oriented and better at spatial reasoning and problem-solving. On the other hand, the female brain has more connections between the left and right hemispheres, which leads to more intuition and better verbal communication. Another interesting difference is the way men and women process emotions. Women tend to be more emotionally expressive and have a greater capacity for empathy. This means that women are often better at understanding and interpreting social cues, and have stronger social networks. Men, on the other hand, tend to suppress their emotions and rely more on logic and reason. When it comes to relationships, there are some notable differences between men and women. Men often value independence and freedom, and tend to avoid emotional intimacy. Women, on the other hand, place a high value on emotional connection, and tend to seek out more intimate relationships. Finally, let's look at some of the biological differences between men and women. For example, women have higher levels of oxytocin, the hormone responsible for bonding and attachment. This means that women are more likely to form close emotional bonds with others, and experience greater emotional distress when those bonds are broken. So, there you have it. These are just a few of the many fascinating psychological differences between men and women. While we may have our differences, it's important to remember that we are all human, and deserve to be treated with kindness and respect. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this one. See you next time.